This is like the Wild West out here. There's very few people out here, and it's spectacular wilderness set almost in the coastal mountains. So we're looking at a true homestead. This is definitely an out-of-the-box sort of look at things right now. Way farther than we were thinking of going. So yeah, this is a traditional old ranch house in the Chilcotin region of British Columbia, and mostly gravel dirt road all the way out here. We're on a tiny little road now that goes into her house, and it's completely off-grid, gravity-fed water from a creek, solar power only. So this is a true off-grid homestead, ready-made. So we wouldn't be building anything. So there's a black bear we've been filming. He decided to come and have a close look at us, so he's literally right outside the truck. So I got my window up to be safe, but now he's sniffing the oh, hey, don't be doing that. Scratch my paint. I mean, you got to be careful because that's close. Definitely windows up when they're that close. And do not feed bears. Somebody, I swear somebody's done that. So this is about as close as you could ever get to a wild black bear, and he seems very comfortable with us. To say the least, this is not a good bear.
Oh, I can't.
He's playing fetch now. Wow. Orphaned as a cub, this bear had in fact been looked after by some well-meaning person. Unfortunately, its complete lack of fear for humans will more than likely make for a sad end to this story. Thinking?
It's starting to feel like maybe this is the way to go. It's a really big decision though, because it really is off grid. It's 2.5 hours from town. There is nothing around here, in terms of shops and stores and stuff. There's a gas station. That's it. It's a beautiful, beautiful place out here. Just nothing really we've ever seen. We would feel so lucky to live out here, I think.
A while later, back home on Chimney Lake, we had made up our minds. We had our homestead. Once again, the decision, it seems, was not ours to make. The owner was just not ready to part with her home of 40 years. The Buddhists say, do not become attached to outcomes. I get that. But damn it, we are attached to this one. The endless cycle of life continues. The loons call out. The stormy, busy mind calms. I think about how fortunate we are. Time stands still. I stop thinking. Balance restored.